Hey there! In this video, I will show you exactly how to add or remove credit cards on Shein. First of all, open up the Shein.com website. Once you get into a site, you will find so many products to buy. Simply click on any of the following you want to buy. After selecting the product, tap to add it in the cart. Now, get into the cart and click to check out. Then from here, you need to select the payment method from here. And tap to view more payment methods. Then you can add or remove your credit card information in here. You can add your credit card information from here. Or if you want to remove it, you can remove the card information from here as well. So this way you can add or remove credit card on the Shein website. Thank you very much for watching, and don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel.